Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're at the East Quarter Residences, and this is in the East Quarter of Dallas. So this is what it looks like in the East Quarter. Now, this is kind of an area called Farmers Market, and there's a lot of really cool places to go here. They're unusual. They're not the same kind of chain places. You can see right across the street here, you've got a really cool bar, the National Anthem. It's a sports bar, and there's other just regular drinks you can get, of course, anytime. But you're also going to have the Dallas Farmers Market, which is close by, which you can walk to and really enjoy very different kind of stores and restaurants. That over there it's 75, and then if you go about 3 minutes or so, 3 to 5 minutes from here, you'd be in Uptown Dallas. Downtown Dallas is right over there. So if you're going to be working in downtown Dallas, this is definitely a cool location to be in. And it's easier to get in and out of, by the way, than if you live in downtown Dallas. So this is a little bit more of the area. I'm just walking so you can see it. There's some really cool shops that are over there. And then that's basically downtown. So this is this area, and now we're actually going to go walk into the East Quarter Residences.